Let's talk about how drivers are making extra money. I know some people are like, "Oh, wait, hey, I don't want advertisements in my car, but I listen to the radio." And you get advertisements anyway. In this case, you can actually get paid. And we talked about Play Octopus quite a bit. Play Octopus is a great way to make extra money. It's something that you have a tablet in your car. It shows the driver. It's interactive, and it can have a good experience for the rider. A little bit different. We've also shown so far on our car setups that a lot of drivers are having Play Octopus, and they're reporting very good things. Just like this driver right here, $925 that they earned. How much was this, Sergio? You know the background on this.
Yeah, I mean, $925, about 14 months, so about a year, right?
Yeah.
Free money. I'm not against it whatsoever, at all. If the day I say I'm against free money, I'm done. Might as well pack it up and move on. Yeah, I mean, look, yeah, this guy drives probably 60 hours a week, but hey, $925 will go a long way. What will that get? That will get minimum set of tires, probably the oil changes for the year, and you don't have to do shit. You just hang the tablet up there, back seat, and people get engaged, they get engaged. They don't get engaged, they don't get engaged. But then this guy is $925 richer because there is no upfront cost. You just order it, it shows up, you hang it, people deal with it and don't deal with it. Will you make more or less depending on how many hours you drive? I mean, if you're doing like 10 trips a week, no. But if you're doing like this full time, yeah. And most of our crowd is full time anyway. So, like, there you go.
And you're definitely going to see a difference in the crowd of usage too. This is going to be something that's going to be more nighttime use. It's going to see a lot more during that time, but it can be, at different times throughout the day. So if you drive more at night or, later in the day or anything like that, dinner time, it's definitely going to be something where it's probably going to be used a lot more. But this is definitely something that, you can go out there, you can earn extra money. And hey, a little bit goes a long way when it comes down to it. I mean, if you're able to pay for gas, or if you're able to pay for, oil changes or a pair of tires just from having this, or bills, whatever it might be, it's just different ways to think outside the box. And so this is something that literally it's no cost. It's simple. It's easy. You plug it in your car, you put it up, and you let it sit there, and you can make extra money. So this is definitely something that we recommend here, that drivers take, especially when fares are continually getting lower. And also, the summer slowdown, or you could just say, the year-long slowdown for a lot of people. It's just one of those things. So somehow figuring out ways to make extra money, and especially when it comes to no cost at you, there's no downside to it. So if you're interested, make sure you check the link in the description. If you sign up, I believe they're still doing the $25. So if you sign up, once you hit 25 points, you're going to get $25 right there. So that's real nice. Normally it's 250 points, but you get it in 25, or I'm sorry, 50 points or something like that. I don't know. Joe just got his a couple weeks ago, and he pretty much got that $25 within his first weekend of driving. So
well, there's time travelers, as I earn about 75 a month off the Octopus, so that's $1,000 a year. I'm going to answer these quick questions, couple of quick questions, Chris. What's happening with Prop 22 is found constitutional, business as usual. You will work for 21 per active hour minus your expenses, because that's where the trips are priced.
Right here.
And there you go.
Nice.
There you go. I hadn't seen it. There you go. This is right here. Yeah, anyway, so yeah. What does this guy say? This guy says, I'm not interested in helping them further reduce pay by adding more drivers. I basically quit. Okay, yeah, absolutely.
I think that's I've been seeing in the chat, people are talking about
illegals.
No, about referrals.
Well, we're going to talk about those illegals like towards the end of the show with the Uber corporate culture. So I'm like, anyway, yeah, get the Octopus. I mean, I'm going to get one, I'm told. So Let's see what it does. But I ain't gonna say no to free money. I mean,
No, right.
you know.
I
Anyway.
mean, why not?
Yeah.
I mean,
that's
we
cool.
listen to, we get inundated with ads anyways. Why not have some money come your way for it? So
Look, man, we need all the tips we can get. We need all the extra cash we can get because we know where the fares are. So there you go. Should
Yep.
it be replacement of our earnings? No, but it is
should be
what
an
it is.
addition, but
This is what it is. Anyway, so
all right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.